Welcome to our factory, a wireless earbuds factory that can help you to make reasonable profits. What? Reasonable profits? I want to make profits as high as dogecoin investment. Just a joking, let's get down to the business. As a leading wireless earbud electronics manufacturer in China, we have our R&D center. Equipped with advanced equipment, our R&D engineers can develop market-fit products quickly. The cutting-edge audio equipment enables us to design excellent products ahead of our competitors. Automatic production facility increases our production a lot and improves our quality to a higher level. A clean environment is crucial for wireless earbuds production. Of course, good management is also important. Inspection plays a vital role in wireless earbuds quality control. Qualified QCs plus the cutting-edge equipment ensure each piece of our wireless earbuds meets the strict wireless earbuds quality standard before delivering to our customers. Batteries are the crucial part of wireless earbuds. Checking the battery quality is a must in a good managed wireless earbuds factory. The reliability test laboratory continues to make tests to see if our wireless earbuds can meet the strict quality requirements. Thank you for watching. Welcome to visit our factory.